Hi friends, welcome to math. You should have your paper out, lesson 10.10, and it's got an albatross bird, but it looks like a seagull really flying right at the top corner of your paper. And I'm gonna share my screen so you can see what paper I'm talking about. That's the page you should have out. We're subtracting 3-digit numbers. So we're still practicing our subtraction, and we've been talking about regrouping in the ones, and which is tens, and then the hundreds, right? Technically the ones room and technically the tens room regroups to give to so the ones room regroups to give to the tens room, and the tens room will regroup to give to the hundreds room. All right, we added another room in Daddy Digits house, which is very exciting because that only means that we're getting smarter and we are even more prepared for second grade. All right, so we're going to jump right into this one. Read it with me right at the top. Are you ready? Did you know that some albatross can fly 500 miles in one day? That's a lot of miles, you guys. 500 in one day, I feel like I would be exhausted. One albatross flew 238 miles yesterday. Another albatross, that's some important information, right? Let me get my red pen out. I like to use red because I feel like our brain really pays attention and focuses with the color red. Another albatross flew 114 miles. How much farther did the first albatross fly than the second? Let's see. Well, they have 238 here modeled with the base 10 blocks. They're going to take away 100, that's one of these, and 14, that's 110, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Well, how much is left? If we count with the model they show us here, that's 100, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Is that what they have here? Yes. 124 miles farther than the second. Okay, so that's it. Basically what we're going to do today. We're looking at the difference. Okay, and actually I feel like yesterday I know that I said subtracting, but we were regrouping by adding. I had to look back. I totally forgot. That's totally a brain fart, friends. I'm so sorry about that. I don't even know what I was thinking. We hadn't done subtraction in a little bit. We were doing regrouping by adding. Okay, so now we're going to subtract. So change your brain, switch the gears in your brain to subtraction because we're taking away, which means our number is going to get smaller, not bigger. Okay, and we're going to be moving down on the number line. All right, so let's look at number 1. We're finding the difference, which means subtraction. 9, we always start with which room? The ones room. If I have 9 and I take away 5, that's going to leave me with 4. If I have 2 and I take away 0, well, nothing changes. Now, if I have 4 and I'm going to take away 3 of them, that leaves me a difference of 1. What's our number? Our answer here is 124. Good job. Let's move on to number 2. If I have 8 and I take away 1, well, that's basically just counting backwards 1. So that's 7. If I have 6 and I take away 4, 2 and 5, take away 1, 2, 3, leaves me with 2. 227. Good job, guys. All right, let's keep going. 4 take away 3 is 1. 4 take away 1 is 3. Kind of the opposite, right? We did backwards. We switched those numbers around. 3 take away 2 is 1. 131. Remember, after we write our answer, we're going to repeat the answer so that we practice saying those big, big numbers, right? All right. 9 take away 6 is 3. 7 take away 2 is 5. 6 take away 5 is 1. All right, let's go to the back. You are so ready for the back. All right, 9 take away 4, that's 5. 1 take away 0 is 1. 6 take away 2 is 4. Good job, friends. Let's keep going. 7 take away 2 is 5. 8 take away 5, 3. And 1 take away, well, nothing because there's no number there, but remember that's an imaginary 0. So we just drop down the 1, 135. Good job. 522 take away 10. 2 take away 0 is 2. 2 take away 1, 1. 5 take away 0. What was that, Alexander? Did you say 5? Yes. Good job. 512. All right, Joe. Help me with number 8. 948 take away 715. 8 take away 5 is 3. 4 take away 1 is 3. 9 take away 7. 2. Good job. Oh, what did I even draw there? Whoops. Whoops. All right, you said 2. Good job. 233. Luca, can you help me with number 9? 746 take away 313. Awesome. 6 take away 3 is what, Luca? 3. 4 take away 1. Also 3. And 7 take away 3. 4. You are quick. All right, Skylar, help me with number 10, please. If I have 8 and I take away 5, I'm left with what? 3. If I have 6 and I take away 3, I'm left with 3. If I have 2 and I take away 1, I'm left with 1. What's that number, Skylar? 133. Remember, we're taking the and away from when we're saying the number in the hundreds. We're not saying 133. No, we're saying 133. All right, let's keep going, friends. 829 take away 614. 9 take away 4 is 5. David, what's 2 take away 1? 1. 8 take away 6? 2. Good job. What's that number? 215. All right, Olivia, help me with this last one. This is so hard, Olivia. Just kidding. 4 take away 2 is what, Liv? 2. Oh, come on. 0 take away 0. Really, Liv? You know this? Yes, you do. 0. And 3 take away 1? 2. Good job. Well, that was easy peasy, wasn't it? Okay, let's go down. We're going to read these word problems. Remember, we circle any important information they give us in word problems. The school office has 257 stamps on Monday. Circle. There are 46 stamps left. How many stamps were used? Well, we're going to subtract. Let's build our number. 57 take away 46. 7 take away 6, 1. 5 take away 4, 1. 2 take away 0. There's 211 stamps that were used. So how many stamps were used? 211. Camden had 168 rocks. He lost 108. Oh, when his family moved. Bummer. How many rocks does Camden have left? 168, 108. 8 take away 8 is 0. 6 take away 0, 6. And 1 take away 1. Good, that's it. So he had 60 rocks left. All right, we're almost done, friends. It is 284 miles to Rockford Circle. The Halls have driven 53 of those miles. How many miles do they have left to drive? 284 and 53. Remember, we're lining up our numbers, okay? They're stacked up right upon each other, okay? So that it looks really nice and neat. What is 4 take away 3? 1. 8 take away 5? 3. And 2 take away 0, you drop the 2. So 231. Good job. Tiana, hey, that sounds like Princess Tiana from Princess and the Frog, wrote 178 words on Tuesday. That's a lot of words. On Thursday, she wrote 199. Ooh, that's even more. How many more words did Tiana write on Thursday than on Tuesday? Well, that's a little bit confusing because the bigger number comes on Thursday and the smaller number comes on Tuesday, but they want to know the difference of how many she wrote on Thursday to how many she wrote on Tuesday. So 199 goes up on top and 178 goes on the bottom. 9 take away 8, that's a difference of 1. 9 take away 7, that's a difference of 2. Michael, how many words was that? 21. Good job, guys. All right, let's look at rewrite. This is the review. Rewrite each group of numbers from least to greatest. Okay, friends, I'm going to stop the video here and I'm going to let you guys do this all on your own because I know you'll be so amazing at this. Remember, you're looking at the numbers from smallest to biggest. So the smallest, you're going to look at the beginning ones, right? So if it's in the thousands, that's going to be one of the bigger ones. So the smallest number, and I'll start you off, the smallest is going to be 711. Because if you look at there's only 2 in the hundreds, and one starts with 7, one starts with 900. 700 or 900, 700 is smaller. Okay, then 900, and then I'll let you continue with the thousands, and then you'll do the bottom, okay? All right, friends, have an awesome day. We'll talk soon. Bye.